Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Chrome extensions that are transforming the way we handle academic and scientific research online. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or just someone keen on enhancing your web browsing capabilities, these tools are designed to streamline your work and boost productivity. We'll be exploring four powerful extensions here, and each of these has unique features that cater to specific needs in the realm of digital research and content creation. So let's get started and see how each of these can make difference in your academic and professional life. So before we proceed, I would like to tell you that this is my channel goms tech talks. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And the reason for subscribing this channel, you have lot of reasons, like you have a wonderful playlist here. The foremost important playlist for the researchers are all about research. So here you can find various challenges which you will be facing in the research and how to overcome those challenges. And this is a skill up playlist where you can find lot of videos on free courses, internships, opportunities, everything. I'll be discussing about, I'll be uploading the videos about it. And here you can find the playlist about the journals. Okay, so this will be really useful, and if you want to join as a member, you can join as a member to access exclusive perks and the opportunities. So the next important thing which I would like to tell you is what um, this is my topmet account. If you want to schedule a call with me, for example, if you wanted to understand like how to do your research, if you have any specific queries related to your research, or if you wanted to get ready for the certification, or if you have if you require any interview preparation tips and tricks, career guidance or discovery call, so you can just schedule a call with me. So I'll be happy to assist you in this. The link is in the description. Please check that. And this is my ebook tutorial place where you can find a lot of lot of useful books for you, like manual books and interview preparation books. If you are finding hard to get the resource from any for any technology, like you can just comment it. I will prepare an ebook for that as well. And follow my blog, so you can find these useful links in my description. So this is my blog, so you can find that in the description. Follow me. So let us go to the very first Google Chrome extension here. So the first extension is what? Unfold Research. If you need this extension link, please comment. I'll be sharing that link with you. Okay. So the first one is the Unfold Research, which is designed to help scholars and science enthusiasts easily discover and share academic research and resources. This tool aims to accelerate scientific advancements by allowing user to leave reviews and notes, link to the other paper, data, slides, videos, and projects. This Chrome promotes the discoverability of research and gathers community opinion directly on the research paper where they can be easily found. So contributions, like you can see here, like you can see there are a lot of screenshots which are available to see what does this particular research extensions really do. Okay, so it's very simple. You have to just click add to Chrome, and you can just click on add extensions, where it will add this particular Chrome extension to your Google Chrome. Okay, so this is specifically for Chrome. And here you can find this is what the extensions tab. Okay, so once if you click here, this is the extensions tab. So if you click on this extensions tab, you can find this is Unfold Research. Just select that Unfold Research, and you can see here all these information. So once if you open any PDF, you can find this particular extension will be working. Okay, so for this you need a proper PDF to work with. That is the research paper. You just try. Okay, so it will be easy. You can find this is how this particular extension works like. Okay, so you can just try to add this extension and see. And the next one is the AI content detector, that chat GPT, that is originality AI. So what is really this tool designed to determine whether the content you are viewing was created by an AI writing tool like chat GPT. It works across any website and offers additional features specifically for Google Docs. So if you are maintaining your research papers in the Google Docs, then this will definitely help you. This extension utilizes the power of AI to identify AI generated content and includes a unique feature that allows users to watch a writer write. Okay, so this means you see a real time or speed up display of every edit made in a Google document, which can reveal whether a writer has simply copied and pasted text from the AI tool like ChatGPT. If the content was copied, the extension show a single block of text being dropped into the document. So you can just see, click here, it will show you that this is what that is the content is copied from the AI. Okay, this is the originality AI. It shows some information for you, then you can rewrite that. Okay, and the next important Google extension is what Chrome extension is what research notes. This is designed to enhance online research activities. It allows users to bookmark, tag, add notes to web pages, save and highlight codes or images, and save selected Google searches. The extension also offers the capability to filter out search results, providing a streamlined research experience. So the key feature of this is what you can note keep, like you can keep the notes and organize it. You can save the images and quotes in the PDF. Okay, it's used for research management, enhanced Google searches, search filtering and annotations, overview of the saved research and everything. So all data created with this extension is stored locally in the user's browser and not shared externally. The extension is currently free to use and in a public beta phase, with the developers open to feedback on existing features or new ideas through a feedback form accessible via the extension icon itself. So you can make use of it. This is free because this is a beta version, so you can do wonders with this particular extension. And finally, I'm going to talk about the tool called Science Research Assistant, which is designed to enhance the efficiency of researching and writing scientific papers. It is tailored for the scientist, journalist, and anyone engaged in scientific inquiry who needs quick access to a broad body of scientific knowledge. So, the features of these are like text summarization and keyword analysis, research and discovery tool, meta search and navigation tool, comprehensive research support, etc. This assistant prioritizes open access journals but acknowledges the importance of all scientific sources. It encourages users' feedback to enhance its database and tools in the future updates. So this is very useful. Like you can see here, once you have installed, here you can search for this particular word. Okay, and then you can see here keyword frequency, like how many times this keyword has been occurred, and here you can see like how it is finding the references, annotations, and you can see lot of things with this particular extension. So thank you all for watching the overview of these impactful Chrome extensions. As we have seen, whether it's enhancing and the discoverability of scientific papers with unfold research, ensuring the originality of content with the AI content detector, organizing your resources with research notes, or accelerating your scientific discoveries with Science Research Assistant. These tools offer significant benefits. Remember, the right digital tools can not only save you time but also enhance the quality of your research and work. If you have used any of these extensions or plan to try them out, let me know your experience in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. See you in the next video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.